Yo, what's up guys? Back with another video here, and this is day 2 of Christmas vacuuming. Yep, Christmas vacuuming. So this is going to be day 2. The same vacuum as yesterday. Bissell Power for Helix Turbo. So yeah, let's begin. And this video was requested by Largemouth Best Vacuums. Here we go. So there you have it for the Bissell Powerful Helix Christmas vacuuming day 2. And also besides that, my phone is dying, so yeah, my phone's at 16. No, it's at my phone's at 11%. So yeah, my phone is dying. Apparently, it's at 11%. So yeah, there you have it. Day 2, Bissell Powerful Helix Turbo, largemouth bass vacuums. Let me know. Let me know on what other vacuum you want me to do for day 3, because I will do another video tomorrow for day 3 Christmas vacuuming. So, yeah, pretty much it. Also, Ralph, tell Marco, tell Vacuums and Carpet Cleaner Guy, on if he wants me to do a vacuum video on this vacuum, the Dirt Devil Power Max, my Power Force Helix 2191, my Power Force Compact Turbo 2690, or my Dirt Devil Ultra Vision Turbo. So tell Marco that if he wants me to do a video on a vacuum for Christmas vacuuming. So tell him that. Also, Ralph, let me know on what other vacuum you want me to do, or unless again and again and again you want me to do this vacuum over and over again. So anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know on what videos you want to see in the future. Leave them in the comments below. And yeah, it's just a rainy day today. Just pure frickin' rain. So yeah, that's the end of this video. So, like I said, let me know on what other videos you want me to do. And leave them in the comments. Also, if you're new, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell if you're new. And that's pretty much it, guys. Until next time, peace.